Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and thanks for watching. This is an unpackaging opening video. BeeBee Craft reached out to me to try a few products. This was about a week or so ago and I just got the package, so this is going to be my opening. It's packaged very well. It was also in a packaged bag also with the bubble wrap. You can see through this because of the size of it. You can see it's taped up, wrapped very well. So if it was anything that could be broken, it's packaged very well. So it probably wouldn't. Most companies do not take the time to do this. I was going to go ahead and cut this open before the video, but part of it is showing the packaging, so I didn't want to do that and not show how well it was packaged. So, sorry about the crinkle. Okay, I ended up picking 3 items, so I'm going to set this aside and show you the first one. Okay, first thing I picked out were these tag dies. You can see they've got it in a bag and also in a plastic case. From what I've seen on other videos and things, most of their things come in little containers like this. As you can see, they fit in there perfectly. Let's open it. And then they're in a package. These are, I believe they're mostly Christmas. So you've got a heart, a reindeer, a heart to the side, that heart stitched, a snowflake, a star, and a tree. And then some of them have the stitching around here. So these are going to make really cute little shakers. I did grab my ruler so I could tell you some sizes. Let's see. That is right at 1.5 by, let's write it. It's like a hair before 2.5. This one, the tree, is 3/4 of an inch by 1 inch, so you get an idea of what your shaker space could be. And they're all same size. So yeah, you get 6 in this set. I will be doing some projects soon for these, and I will share that as soon as I'm done with them to show you what I've come up with. These are pretty sturdy, so they seem to be good dies. So there's the, oh, and this little case, which you could always use it for something else, so you can keep your dies in it. Right at 3 inches. Make sure I'm in frame. Let's see. Right at, well, about 2 3/4, and then the same that way. So let's see. And then the other one, the other thing I ordered, they are also dies. Big dies. See how well they're packaged. Let's see if we can get into it. These are packaged really well. That's a lot of bubble wrap. So they do take the time to make sure the products are wrapped well. This one was 2 different die sets, and they make these big cards. You can do a lot of things with them. I'm excited to play with these. So they came in their own little bag. Like I said, it is 2 sets. Well, here we go. Okay, so you've got these pieces. They are the base. This one, and you've got this one. Let's see. Okay, no, these are not. These actually go on the sides. These are the side pieces. Sorry about that. So these are closer together. This is for the taller one. And then again, I will do some project share videos to show you what I mean by those go on the side. So this is, you can cut your base piece, you can cut your detail, you can cut another layering piece, and then you've got this layering piece, and it cuts your tabs for you. You can cut up to 4 of these, I believe it is, and then this cuts, I believe you want to leave this in here so it can cut your slots in the right way. You'll cut 2 of these, 1 for each side. So I wanted to, let's see, I'm going to do this from, I'm not going to count the tabs, so the line where it cuts, but not the tabs, is right at 4.5. This way is 5 inches. And then this one, the same way. You've got the piece to make your tabs, slots. They're going to go on either side. This one, you've got your bigger piece, your layering detail piece, another detail piece here, and then another one in the middle. And this one, not counting the tabs, measures just a hair under 4.5 by 5.25. Sorry about that. I'm going to say it's with the tabs. It is just at 5 inches, if you can see that. So, that's going to be really fun to play with. I have been brainstorming and thinking of things for this since I ordered it. And the other thing I ordered, I believe it was called foil board. It doesn't say on here, but it's, I believe it's like chipboard, not chipboard, cardstock, but it's full. Let's see if I can, well, get it out. Here we go. So I chose the one that had the silver and this gold. That's not too much of a glare, but enough for you to see. These are basic size, 8.5, 11.5. You can die cut from. They can be card bases. I was more interested in the silver, but they didn't have the gold, but they didn't have just the gold. So you get 3 silver, 6 silver, and 6 gold. They did have other tones of the silver and gold. This is the one I liked. So, that's the one I chose. And that is it this time. Like I said, I will have videos uploaded soon of projects that I will make with these items. I will link them in the description box, as well as the BeeBee Craft website if you're interested. And that is all for this video. Thanks for watching, and I will talk to you on the next crafty video. Bye.